Welcome. If you're looking to keep up with your Snapchat notifications without the constant buzz or sound, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable silent notifications for Snapchat on your Android device. This way, you'll stay informed while enjoying some much-needed peace and quiet. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where all your app management options live. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps and tap on it. Here you'll find a list of every app installed on your device. Next, scroll through your apps until you find Snapchat, then tap on it. This will bring up Snapchat's app-specific settings and options. Look for a choice called Notifications and select it. This area controls how Snapchat alerts you. Within the Notifications menu, you'll see something called Notification Categories. Tap on this to view all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send you. Under the category labeled General, you'll find the option to toggle on silent notifications. Simply turn on this toggle. What this does is let your Snapchat notifications arrive without any sound or vibration, allowing you to check them whenever it's convenient without being disturbed by noise. It's perfect for meetings, quiet environments, or just when you want to keep distractions to a minimum but still stay updated. And that's it. By following these simple steps, going to Settings, then Apps, selecting Snapchat, heading into Notifications, and enabling silent notifications under General, you'll have Snapchat notifications quietly delivered to your device. With this small adjustment, you get to control your digital experience better, balancing staying connected and maintaining your peace. Enjoy your silent Snapchat alerts and a calmer phone routine.